Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of finding someone's contact information while composing an email in Gmail. Let's dive in. 1. Open the Gmail app. 2. Look for the Compose button, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to start composing a new email. 3. In the To field of the new email, type in the email address of the person whose contact information you want to find. Ensure that you enter the correct email address. 4. Once you have entered the email address, you can either tap the Enter key on your device's keyboard or select the email address from the suggested list that appears below the field. 5. After entering or selecting the email address, it will appear in the To field of the email. Tap on the email address to proceed. 6. A new menu will appear with the details of the email address. Look for the profile picture associated with the email address and tap on it. By following these simple steps, you can easily find someone's contact information while composing an email in Gmail. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.